Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and view your Gmail password if you forgot it. This can be really useful if you are trying to sign into another device and suddenly realize you don't remember your password anymore. So forgetting your Gmail password is actually pretty common. Most of the time, once you are already signed into your account, you rarely type your password again. Your browser remembers it for you, so after a while, it's easy to completely forget what it was. And the good news is that if your password was saved on your device, there's an easy way to check it. First, just open your browser. For example, in this tutorial, I will using Google Chrome like this, but other browser with safe password may work similarly. So just open your browser. In here, I will open my Chrome, and then next just go to the google.com like this, and then next just tap on your profile photo. So make sure you already log into your Google account. Just tap on it like this, and then next just scroll down, and then just choose Google Password Manager over here. Just click on it, and then in here just choose the google.com like this, and then just enter your lock screen, your phone lock screen, or you can also use your fingerprint sensor like this. And then in here you'll see the information about the Google accounts that you have, and then just scroll down until you find your Google account that you want to check the password. Your saved Google account information will appear in here if the password has been stored on your device. Just like that, I already see my password in here. You will see your saved password hidden with dots like this, and to reveal it, just simply tap the eye icon on the right side like this. And that's it. You can now see your Gmail password if it was previously saved on your device or on your account. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.